This is Linda Waterhouse back again for your LinkedIn tip of the day. I am a LinkedIn strategist, and during this time, I think it's really a great idea to use LinkedIn to boost your online reputation and to keep in touch with people who we're not able to see day to day. So today's tip is going to be on reordering and adding our skills. A lot of times our skills are things that we added when we first made our LinkedIn profile. We haven't thought about it, but skills are really important because they are used as keywords for LinkedIn. So if people are looking for a particular trait, it's important to have our skills. So let me share my screen and I will show you exactly what I mean. So the first thing that we want to do is go to our profile. So we find the little picture of ourselves on the black bar and we say view profile. That will bring up our own profile and we scroll down until we see skills. And you will notice that we always have the first 3 skills before we need to click on show more. So these are called pin skills, and it's very important that our most important skills, the ones that we really want to be known for, are up here at the top. You're allowed up to 50 skills. So take a look at your skills, see which ones still make sense, see which ones may be out of date. And the skills section is not exactly very intuitive. There are different interfaces for adding a new skill versus reordering. So first I'll quickly show you adding a new skill. So we go to skills, we say add a new skill, and LinkedIn will give us some recommendations based on other things that we have already put. So say that I want to say, coaching. So we can click on coaching. Now I've hit my limit of 50 skills. But if I don't want that, you can use the skills that LinkedIn suggests. Say I want to do something LinkedIn. So if you start typing, LinkedIn will give you a list of ideas. If I wanted to say LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn API, I can also write something of my own. I don't suggest it unless you really, really, really think it's important, because LinkedIn has the suggestions of things that people are looking for. So then after you add them, you would click add. I don't want to add it right now, so I'm just going to X out. So the next thing, if you want to reorder the skills, because say you feel like something is more important, you click on the pencil. And you will notice that the top 3 are pinned but by this push pin. Now what we can do in each of the categories, the pinned categories and then the rest of the categories, is reorder within. So say I want to reorder and say have LinkedIn training at the top. Now you notice I cannot take LinkedIn marketing down here. It has to stay at the top. But if I wanted to say social media marketing was at the top, I could move that in this section. I could also delete. But if I wanted to put social media marketing up here, I would have to unpin something first. So say I want to unpin LinkedIn. So that goes away. Since I only have 2 up top, that gives me room to put 1 more. So I can take social media marketing and then move it up to the top section here. So in order to put it up here, I need to pin it. Then once it's up here, then I can reorder it if I say I want to put that. And if I want to put it back in here, I unpin it again. And then make sure that you save. But that gives you an idea of how you can add a new skill and then reorder your skills in the pin section and the unpin section. I suggest that you visit your LinkedIn skills occasionally and update them. Make sure the most important ones are in the top 3 pin section. I'm Linda Waterhouse with your LinkedIn tip. Please visit my website, lindawaterhouse.com, for more free resources. Thank you.